Namaste. Welcome to Asana Yoga. Did you know that breath is more than just a life-sustaining function? In yoga, breath is considered the direct link to your body's energy, that is prana. Today, we are going to explore the profound practice of pranayama, where breath can lead you to vitality, balance, and deep inner transformation. In yoga philosophy, prana is a vital force that flows through all being. Pranayama isn't just about controlling our breath, but it's about regulating the flow of prana that can nourish our body, mind, and spirit. Different pranayama technique helps us to activate the different aspects of our life force, enabling us to energize, focus, and calm our system when it is needed. Come, let's explore through us the ancient art of pranayama. Today, we will dive into different types of pranayama. I will show you how to perform them correctly while uncovering their effects on our energy body, many of which remain hidden from mainstream knowledge. So, ready for it? Let's begin. Before we move into various types of pranayama, let's first check how our breathing pattern is. Place one hand on your abdomen. Inhale through both the nostrils and exhale through both the nostrils. Observe your abdomen and check whether it goes in or out when you inhale. If your abdomen goes in, it is known as reverse breathing. That can create negative pressure on the lungs, can lead to shallow and short breathing. Ideally, on inhalation, the abdomen should expand fully, allowing your lungs to feel and your breathing to become deeper and more comfortable. Here comes the role of yogic breathing. Yogic breathing helps to reverse the breathing pattern and maximizes the process of respiration. Yogic breathing helps to calm down the nervous system, and it is particularly helpful in a high-stress situation, anger, and anxiety. Yogic breathing is a combination of three sectional breath: the abdominal breathing, thoracic breathing, and clavicular breathing. Let's break down each technique. Sit or lie down in comfortable position, palms resting on your abdomen. As you inhale, feel complete expansion of your abdomen. And as you exhale, feel the contraction of your abdomen. Now we will practice thoracic breathing. Sit upright with hands resting on your ribs. Inhale deeply and feel the expansion of your lungs. As you exhale, feel the contraction of your ribs. Now we will practice clavicular breathing. Sit upright with your palms resting on your clavicles. Inhale deeply, lifting the collarbone upward. As you exhale, observe the clavicles moving downward. Now we will combine all three techniques and perform yogic breathing. So sit upright, placing one hand on your abdomen and the other hand on your thoracic region. As you inhale, inhale deeply and feel the expansion of your abdomen followed by your chest, lifting your clavicles up. And as you exhale, lower down your clavicles followed by your chest, moving your abdomen in. Yogic breathing corrects improper breathing pattern and maximizes the respiratory system's efficiency. Yogic breathing helps to enhance the practice of pranayama and calms down the nervous system, specifically in high-stress situations. Let's unlock the full potential of our breath by practicing yogic breathing every day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below on how this yogic practice transforms your yoga experience. Namaste.